Yo, what is going on YouTube? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. We are bringing you guys a review of the Alt Customs T1 Micro 60% keyboard. This is going to be a fun one, so I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you guys are new, because a lot of you guys are new and watching these and are not subscribed. Come on, guys. Hit that dang subscription button. Turn on notifications. Let's roll it. Alright guys, so here we have the T1 Micro by Alt Customs. I do have my RK61 here. Just for comparison reasons, we will be comparing this to the T1 Pro by Alt Customs. So let's jump into it, guys. Let's get her opened up. I'm super excited to get this actually opened up. I have not opened this yet. I just unpackaged it from the packaging. So let's get this out. Oh my gosh, this thing is gorgeous. All right, guys, so let's go over packaging contents really quick. So I did end up picking the orange customizable USB-C braided cable. This is a USB-C to Type A. And then we also got some slap thrown in there, some Alt Custom slap. Look at that, very beautiful. Then we got some gamer glue right here. This is gonna be helpful when I'm sweating it out in Verdask. And then we got a little pamphlet here. It says RGB change. Teaches us how to change the different modes of the keyboard, colors, directions and styles of the switches, and then speed adjustment. Compared to the RK61, guys, the weight of the T1 Pro is way lighter than the RK61. The RK61 is way heavier than this T1. It is very, very freaking nice. The keycaps on this have like a matte finish. They have like a rubberized kind of like plastic feel to them. I can't really explain. These have like more of a glossy feel to them. They're a lot more slippery compared to these to this T1 Pro. The keycaps do feel a lot better. All right, so I do want to do a sound test of both these keyboards. The T1 Micro does have the red linear switches, and the RK61 has the brown switches. I am going to pull off the keycaps just to show you guys here really quick, so you guys can see there's some red switches, and then we've got some brown switches on the RK61. Here's the sound test. Sound test with the brown switches on the RK61. All right, so we did end up getting freaky a little bit, turned off the lights so you guys can get a better, closer look at the RGB modes and colors. So let's go ahead and run through them. So holding down FN and hitting the menu will change the different modes. Holding FN, hitting control will change the lights. So as you guys can see, here's one mode here. Let's change up the colors. Let's run through another mode, FN menu. So when I push the keys, it does change up the colors. FN control changes the colors. So you guys can see that's a green now. Different mode. We got this cool little wave colored going on here. We hit FN control, change up the colors. There's a red, there's a green. Very freaking cool, guys. I'm just gonna quickly run through some of the modes just for time's sake. So as you guys can see, there is a lot of different colors and modes that you guys can customize this keyboard to. Very awesome. I love it because it personalizes things a lot better according to whatever your color scheme is. Overall, guys, I do really like the Alt Customs keyboard. Like I said, it's very personalizable, very customizable on their website. You can easily go on their website, customize everything from the top row to the WASD keys, the space keys, the left modifiers, right modifiers. Everything is fully customizable, which I like a lot because I like personalizing my things, and I know a lot of people do. And come on, they even get down to the nitty gritty of being able to customize your own freaking braided cable. This is awesome, guys. I love it. So before I forget to mention this, I am partnered with Alt Customs. I will be linking all their information in the description box. I do have a discount code that you guys can use for some money off your order. And also, if you guys want to pick up the jalapeno Cheeto and have a similar keyboard to me, make sure you guys tag me in the Instagram picture or whatever it is, and I will end up maybe tagging you guys in my story and give you guys a little bit of a shout out. But if you guys did enjoy this video, guys, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, comment down below any question you guys have regarding the Alt Customs T1 Mini, and if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. I hope you guys have a great one, guys. Peace out.